This video demonstrates the significant impact of installing safety door locks on industrial machine operations. Here's a look at the machine operating without safety door locks activated. Notice how the machine can be accessed even while it's running, posing a significant risk to the operator. Now, let's see the machine in action with safety door locks installed and activated. As you can see, the door remains locked while the machine is in operation, only opening once the machine has completely stopped. Let's compare both scenarios. On the left, the machine runs without safety locks, allowing access anytime. On the right, safety locks ensure access only when the machine fully stops. Take the next step in securing your operations. Contact us today to learn more about our safety solutions.